Today we're going to talk about two words that strike fear into even the strongest of math students. You got it, word problems. But before we start, I want you to think about what you remember about word problems. And I want you to think about and list as many key words as you were taught that would help you solve a word problem by looking at the word problem, looking at what key words are coming to mind for you. Pause the video now and write a few down. After you're ready, hit play. I bet your list looks something like this. In all together, sum, difference, how many more, in each group, product. Many of us were taught that when we search for those key words, they'll help us know what operation to use. So let's put it to the test. Emma has 8 keychains. Calvin has 9 keychains. How many keychains do they have altogether? Oh, there's that key word again that we taught to look for, altogether. And so if altogether tells us to add, then we just take we take this 8 and this 9 and we add them together, 17. They must have 17 keychains. What about this one? Emma has 8 keychains. Riley has 15 keychains. How many more keychains does Riley have? Oh, there's that key word again. How many more? It tells us to subtract. 15 minus 8 is 7. Riley has 7 more than Emma. But what about this one? Emma has 8 keychains. How many more keychains does she need to have 13 keychains altogether? Well, there's that key word. If I know that altogether means add, then I'm going to add 8 and 13 and get 21. But is 21 right in this situation? If she already has 8 keychains and she gets 21 more, will she have 13? Of course not. And here's the problem with the strategy of looking for keywords. It doesn't always work. In fact, an analysis of nationwide testing data, it shows that the keyword strategy only works less than 2/3 of the time. And I don't know if I'd want to go around teaching students to use a rule that they're going to get 1 out of every 3 problems wrong by applying it. That not to mention that it tells them that all the other things, the context of the story, doesn't matter at all. If I'm applying a keyword strategy, then I'm not interested in Emma or her keychains or what she's doing with them. And it tells students that the context, the story, what's happening doesn't matter. And of course, we don't want that to be true. We want them to recognize that math exists in the real world and it's all part of things that are and are not happening. So, if not keywords, then what? Keep watching the next 2 videos for some other strategies that we can show to students that will work 100% of the time. But before we do that, I'll tell you the first thing that I ask students at any grade level when solving a word problem is I ask them to tell me about the situation, what's happening, but to do it without the numbers. In this case, I would want them to tell me that there's a girl named Emma, she's collecting keychains, someone's going to give her some more, she's going to go to the store probably and buy some more, so at the end, she has a bigger amount. Once I understand that story, then I can think about what to do with it. We'll talk about some more specific strategies in the next 2 videos, so keep watching. Thank you.